Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to send mail notification for the selected multiple quotation into cell order. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Cell Mass Mailing. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to cells, select here multiple, go to action menu and see here this cell order mass mailing. Click on and display here different template, but I want to send sales send quotation. So select here and now click on the send button. So see here this 3-4 sent mail. So display here right. Now go to settings, go to emails and see here this 27, 28 and 29 for send mail notification. Now open and see here this details of this record. Thank you.